Hi, I'm Steve Higgins with Pine Bloom & Hano, located at 3426 West Kennedy in Tampa. I want to talk to you quickly about the initial police contact that the officer may have with you. Once an officer's made a visual observation of your driving pattern and pulled you over thinking that you may be impaired, the next thing he's going to do is come up to your window. He's going to try to determine whether or not you may be impaired. The reason that he's doing that is because if he smells an odor of alcohol and a number of factors add up to the point that you may be impaired, he's going to ask you to step out of the car and he's going to ask you to perform field sobriety exercises. That initial police contact is very important. We always look to see on a video, once we get it from the state attorney's office, about that interaction to determine whether or not our client speech sounds very well, whether or not they're coherent and understanding his directions, and whether or not the officer is asking questions that may not be elicited. What the officer is doing when he's at your window, he's trying to duck his head in perhaps and smell an odor of alcohol coming from your breath. He's trying to determine whether or not your eyes are bloodshot and glassy. He's trying to see whether or not you're going to fumble with the documents that he's going to ask you for, such as the license and registration. All those factors are adding up to determine whether or not the officer can ask you to step out of the car and do field sobriety tests. What I recommend that you do is give our office a call at 800-FIGHT-IT. That's 800-344-4848. You can go to our website, Fight Your Tampa DUI. And I recommend that you call the office so that we can evaluate that video and hopefully determine that the officer didn't have the right or probable cause to ask you to step out of the car to do field sobriety exercises.